humans have.
Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out South Park, the Stick of Truth for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 once again, emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Now as you know, basically what I do is I simply test the game on the channel. The whole point is just to see if the game would run in the first place. That's literally it, to be honest with you. It's kind of lackluster if I'm being honest. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Let's get into some South Park, guys. Yeah, why not, right? I decided I'm trying to test every RPCS3 game on the channel, so or at least most of them. And South Park just came around. I think South Park was going to be quite easy to run. It should be. It seems to be at this point. It is running at 30 FPS locked. I can't really ask for more, to be honest with you. It's not using much CPU or GPU usage. I believe because of how this is, this should be playable from the beginning. Day one, this should be playable.
It's a new beginning for us.
I can live with this.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
That's me.
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie, hun, you all dressed?
Hey, champ. How do you like your new room?
Okay, let's skip. From a technical standpoint, okay, so this is the game. Okay, from a technical standpoint, this isn't bad. 40% of my CPU usage isn't bad. The i7-4790 is a 4-core 8-threaded CPU. It's, you know, it's fine. Emulation hasn't been crushing it, but not for this game. Obviously, this game is running smooth. Look at my GPU, dude. My GPU is never, ever tested. My GPU is like 30 to 40% maybe on a good day. Other than that, it's always just low. I'm only using about 4 gigs of RAM. You gotta keep in mind the stuff that the computer itself is using RAM as well. So it's holding itself really well, I would say.
Come on, son, get out there. You're really gonna go outside with that hair?
Well, yeah, you got a problem with my hair? What is like you got a problem with my hair? Now, once again, this is the first time I'm playing the game, so it will compile shaders, but it seems like the compiling of shaders doesn't even stop this game. Now, people are asking, why are you playing this? This is on PC. Once again, this is to simply show you the progress of the RPCS3 emulator. And it's awesome progress, to be honest with you. I can't hear them talking. Oh, there may be audio issues. There may be audio issues. Oh damn, he's getting smacked around. Oh no, there aren't audio issues. Everything just went. The audio just went out altogether. But doesn't that suck? It's almost like I actually don't think that's the game's fault. I think that's just me. I think that's with my recorder that's done that. That being said, I'm not stopping this. One take Drake over here. One take Drake. So enjoy the silence. Yeah, I feel like it may be that actually, because wait, let me just check. Let me check. Yep, it's that. Wait, no, that may not be. Yep, it's the game. The game has audio issues. Interesting. Yeah, it's crackling. The game has audio issues. So all of a sudden, the audio just kind of went out of the game. It's not the recorder. It's the game. Interesting stuff. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more content. Huh, I haven't seen an audio issue like this in a long time. I mean, the audio just completely stopped. Interesting. I'll see you guys next time, though. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this type of content. Oh, it's back!